What's up guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to work on a medium problem called write a function in Python. Let's look at the problem statement. An extra day is added to the calendar almost every 4 years as February 29, and the day is called a leap day. It corrects the calendar for the fact that our planet takes approximately 365 days 25 to orbit the sun. A year contains a leap day. Okay, so in here we have to write a function. So the function is already here. We have to write the logic here and to determine if it's a leap day or not. Okay, so in the Georgian calendar, I think the first thing I'm gonna get rid of all this. And here I think the first thing they say, the year can be divided by 4 is a leap year unless, so we can divide it by 4, year divided by 4 unless, and this year can be evenly divided by 100. It's not a leap year unless that the year is also evenly divisible by 400. Okay, we can divide by 400 here. And we can divide by 100 here. If it's not equal to 100, sorry. So I think that's pretty much it. So here they say this year can be evenly divided by 100. It's not a leap year, so we are not, if it's not, if cannot be evenly divided by 100, then it's a leap year, or it's not a leap year. Okay, let's run our code just to see how does it work. If the test cases are passing or not. I think the main thing to remember is how we can divide. This is the kind of operator we use to divide, and whatever the number here, number is 4, it is 400 and is 100. Anyway, so our sample test case passed. Let's submit our code just to see if all the test cases are passing. Here we are running 5 test cases. If all the test cases passed, then success. So we have implemented the logic correctly. Yeah, that's it for today. If you like it, please subscribe to my channel.